baby. I found you in the midst of a very rough time in my life. You were the strength that helped me through it. For this, I am grateful. At times I needed a shoulder to cry on or a kind ear to listen to my thoughts. You lent me your shoulder.
Come walk with me. Wanna see what you see.
Meron pa po bang nais na tumutol sa kanilang pag-iisang dibdib sa araw na to?
May tumutol pa!
Ang pagsasama nyo habang buhay hanggang sa kayo ay sa huling sandali ng inyong buhay, kayo pa rin ang magkasama.
Nakilala ko si Gilbert or si Chino nung nasa previous office namin.
Actually, nag-ano kami sa isang kumpanya. Nung pumasok siya sa klase namin, boom! Parang nakita ko siya na siya na yun.
Niligawan niya ako. And hanggang sa trinay ko, sinubukan ko na baka ito na nga yung lalaking para sa akin.
When I woke up this morning, found everything in place. The birds were singing pretty songs, the sun kissed me on my face. It feels so good to be alive, it feels so good to see the light.
One day, kinukulit niya ako na kung magiging kami na ba.
Nakakatawa yun. Actually, yung sinagot niya ako, sobrang kulit ko noon. May ako siya kinukulit.
Tinanong niya ako na parang, ano ba, tayo na ba? Parang ganun. So ako, parang sabi ko, why not?
Saying be all you can be. You gotta keep the truth in your heart. Believe when you can.
Promise ko sa daddy mo is aalagaan kita okay habang buhay hangga't nandito ako para sa inyo.
I don't want to promise anything to you, Chino. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang is, hanggang sa huli, paninindigan ko yung relationship na to. We have to make sure, I have to make sure na mag-work out to. And alam kong mag-work out to.
Kung gusto nyong maging successful ang inyong married life, God is always the center of your marriage.
I'm grateful whenever I've needed you, whenever I've needed a friend, you've always been there to show me unconditional love, and for that I love you. With all my heart and all my soul, baby, I love you.
I just want to say thank you for everything, for loving me unconditionally. Sobrang naramdaman ko yun. And there, I'm so excited to live my life. Nakasama ka habang buhay. I love you so much.
I will always be the person that you can trust, talk to, and the person that will always understand, and I will make my home in your heart.